Yo, it's good. Got a quick weekly recap. And took one trade this week, one W, so we're up the week. But low-key things to, bro, this shit actually pissed me off, bro. Why is it always freezing? But yeah, so took only one trade this week, took one win. But you know, like I said last time, it's like it could have been more than I wanted to. Like it could have been more than like what I made because I let emotions kind of control, and that kind of messed me up. So I'm just gonna go over quickly what I could work on this week, and just like the trade that I took. It's gonna be pretty quick because just one trade, and it's kind of repetitive from previous week. So going into this week, we only took one trade. Sorry, that's the wrong one. One trade, zero losses. It was one win position. Wait, I just said that. One trade, one win, zero losses. It was a buy position, and the total loss size was 0.65 with a percent gain of 0.8%. You know, we are at like 10.7%. I mean, we're like 7%, 7.5% up. So yeah, that's like pretty chill. Like, you know, it's just pretty chill. So this week, what I kind of messed up on is because like I only took one trade this week, right? So and I only took one trade last week, so it kind of like it was getting to my head like, yo, am I not doing enough? Am I not doing enough? It's like the same thing from last week, but last week I lost, but this week I feel like it was way more under control, but it was still getting to my head. I was like, yo, am I not doing enough? Yo, am I like you know, am I even making progress? Am I doing the right things? But it's like the right things are to wait. The right things is to be patient. The right things is to be objective, and the right thing is to like be picky with my setups. You know, not take everything. So if I'm taking less, that's good, right? Less is more type shit. You know, so it's like I can't get upset if I'm not taking that many things because that's what I'm meant to do. I'm meant to wait there and sit. But like the thing is, like I don't know, am I supposed to wait like so long? But that's what depends on the strategy. Like that's what depends on like each strategy, right? You know, like when I look over previous weeks, it's only like one or two proper setups that I see. So it's like if I'm only seeing one or two setups per week, then I should be expecting to see one or two setups per week. It's just during like the time during the like during the actual week, time goes way slower. You know, you're not just jumping days, you're not time skipping, you're going slower as you like go day by day, right? So I got to make sure that I get used to that and get like accept the fact that I shouldn't be trading every single day, and that, you know, one trade a week is realistic. You know, like I'm not gonna take like 4 or 5, you know, probably like 3 or 2, because like I mean like 2 or 3, you know. But I freaking misclicked that. Shit keeps on bouncing, bro. But okay, wait, where was that? So like, so like long ago, I took 6 trades a week, 5 trades a week. But ever since then, it's been like 1 or 2. This one was an odd week, 4%, and that was still a losing week. Exactly, like, you know, it's correlated, bro. It's a correlated type shit, you know. Like, God, just, bro, I say type shit too much now, bro. It's like, don't even, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it's like, but like less is more. Don't try to forcing stuff, you know. Just stay patient and get used to like only taking 1 or 2 trades a week, not like taking multiple. So the trade, it was on GBPUSD. This was the trade. So we had news at 6:30. I'm just gonna quickly go through this because I already went through it on my trade breaker, but my hair is so flat right now. I don't know why. I love my chopper and I think she loved me. Okay, so going into market open, we opened in between London highs, London lows, but we did have news at 6:30. Yo, this shit clips me, bro. We did have news. So I was waiting for news to come out. That was at 6:30. So I waited until 6:30, and then with the news, we ended up taking out the Asian lows. We also took out a 1 hour low. Before news, we took out the London lows along with the 1 hour low that was associated with the London lows. So everything was working in line. And then with that, I was looking to target the London highs. So something I did wrong was that I didn't really plan out my take profits, and I kind of just acted on impulse on choosing where my take profits were. I was like, yo, I'm gonna take all of my position off at this point. But then this got hit, and I was like getting greedy, and I was like, yo, it could hit more. I could make more if I just hold on to it. So then I decided to hold on to it. Then I have my next take profit here, right? So I didn't take profit there because I was greedy, bro. Like I was thinking about like, yo, I could make so much more. I could make so much more. So then I kept my last take profit here, and what happens? We get all the way up here, edge my take profit, and then we get stopped out at break even. So we could have made so much more, but we made less because I was getting greedy and I was letting my emotions control. I was not planning my trades properly. Bro, something looks really weird with the lighting here. Like goddamn. Wait, let me just 1 second. Perhaps that's a little bit better. But yeah, just one trade, bro. This Discord. Why the fuck did it show? But yeah, just one trade. Basically, You know, main thing is to not focus on like just to be patient, be objective, and understand that the more waiting I do, the more patient I'm being, like the better trader I'm becoming. You know, the goal is to become a better trader, not to become a usual trader. You know, like you know what I'm saying? It's like it's just common sense at this point, but like, but I just it's like it's really nothing too complicated. But I just gotta stay patient, wait for setups to come, and don't like, you know, force anything bad. What else is there? Yeah, can't focus on the outcome too. Like I was so focused on making as much as I could that I wasn't focusing on the process, and that kind of caused me to end up selling myself and caused me to just miss out on what I could. Like I basically, like what I feared would happen happened to me. Like I just manifested what I feared, in the way that, like, I was like scared of like losing the trade. I was scared of not being able to get something. Like I was scared of not being able to maximize like the profits, that I ended up minimizing the profits, kind of thing, you know. So it's kind of just like that, but it's like, you know, it's all good, bro. It happens, but it can't happen again. You know, I gotta learn from this. Mistakes happen, and they should only happen once, and then you learn from them. So then that's how you learn, bro. That's how you get better every single day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to end this right now. Goodbye.